Hello, we are in Sri Lanka. Started out the morning with some mini golf. Yeah, apparently. Unless that math is wrong, which it could be wrong, so double check it. What's up? So I think we've docked, and there's beautiful concrete. But yeah, welcome to Sri Lanka. It's really hot. It's like 88 at 10 o'clock. So a little dying a little bit. Other side has more trees and more water. Woohoo! I came to the other side of the ship, and it looks like we are docking on the other side. This is the port. No, this is the starboard side. But there's this little boat here that is like kicking up water. Oh no, we're kicking up water, or kicking up sand. You can see all like the discoloration of the water. It's good stuff. Much prettier on this side. Meeting our guys.
Nice. Also nice pretty right here.
Yep. Oh, it's for keep the elephants out?
Yeah. There's bats.
So in the trees, there's just bats everywhere. Or is it windy? Oh no, no, they're just slapping their wings. So the bats are like making noise, and they are indeed flapping their wings. So silly. There's so many of them. There's also birds, like cranes, flying in too. But yeah, what are they doing? I don't know enough about bats. This tree over here is just like all bats. My lighting's not good enough, but hopefully Maddie gets some good ones. I have never seen this many in my life. Like, not even collectively. This beats the number of bats I've ever seen. Oh yeah, see? There's some like, oh my goodness. Huge wingspans. And then it's like a stork. There's storks that are flying into the trees too. And the bats are just doing their thing. I think they're like cleaning or something? I don't know. Because they're not just like sitting there, they're like flapping. Every once in a while you can see them flying around. Even though most of the time they're sleeping, sometimes they're flying. They're like terrifying. Oh. I'm too slow to catch one. Little dogs by the backs. And then in the back, there's boats in like this mangrove area. We saw some folks like boating out into the rice paddies or whatever, the marsh. She got papaya drink. It's like bubbling on top, but you can see like the pulp.
In his life.
His life.
Me. Take a picture of your own. You have one coming.
Grumpy Gus. I can look at all of them. Bubbles. Chicken soup. There's garlic inside and it's delicious. So my curry came and then there's more curries. Her egg noodles and her fish. This looks like a deviled tuna. That is tuna sandwich. Tuna sandwich? Mm-hmm. And ice cream. And we're in the back of the Jeep. We got some height. Let's see the city.
Yeah, shielded too.
Yeah, shielded in the front, which is nice. Sri Lankan water. So we're in the national park. Yeah, that exactly.
It's right there. It's an elephant. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's a big bush.
Ollie.
Hi, girl. Hi. Oh, look at her ears. Okay, well that's annoying. It just popped everybody. Oh, I see it. There's a little one. Oh, I can't zoom in fast enough.
Is that a little baby?
Everyone stopped here. Oh, this might be the entrance. Oh! Oh yeah, here's the entrance. Then we stop. Oh, right there.
Right around the tree.
Yeah, on the back side of the tree. They're right here. So inside this bush, I think there's elephants.
Elephants.
You can't really see because one car is going the wrong way, just so you can get a good view. Hard to see. What the heck is that? Oh. Very cool. You can see the elephants. Hi, Ollie's. Oh, big one and a baby. Hungry, hungry elephants. Nom 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 nom. Nom. Baby. Cute. And on the other side we see a we think is a vulture. Some sort of large bird. Pad pond, I mean. Oh, antelope.
Oh, antelope also. It's got a hitchhiker on its back.
Oh, does it really? Oh, that's cute.
He's going to eat his friend. He's walking.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, there's two.
That's cute.
He's walking with his friend.
Could he walk any slower to his friend?
Oh, the hitchhiker's gone.
Oh, he's running. Oh no, he stopped running.
The bird flew off his back and he got scared.
So he jumped?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really cute. Man, he's walking really slow.
Take your time.
Say hello.
walking? Nope, it just keeps going. Right past it, I think. Alright, you stop.
You want to stop?
Just take a picture. It takes 10 seconds.
What is it?
I think it's a water buffalo. Or else either a water buffalo or like one of those wildebeests or something. But it looks like a water buffalo. So we're at a leopard spot. There's Susanna and Ed. Hi. There's supposed to be a leopard here. We saw a monkey in the trees. I don't know if it's still there. But we can't see it clearly, so we can't see anything clearly. So it's like whatever. So we can't see the leopard. I can't really see it. I could kind of see it once they pointed it out, but I wouldn't know that it was a leopard. I would have thought it's just a thing. But it's basically hiding in a shade. So taking pictures. It's hiding back there. I gave up on trying to see the leopard. There is a monkey. I don't know if this is any better. A monkey. Where's the other ones?
They're inside.
Oh, inside. So I can't get those.
That one you can see really well.
Yeah. Hi, bud. Started coming down. And then it's straight away. Still back there. Hard to see though. That monkey is watching all of us. Watch the leopard.
Yeah, it was back there though. It's okay, I got it.
Is it eating things?
Yeah.
On the side of the water.
Up there, up in the back. Up on the back on the sand.
Oh, yeah, I saw it. Oh, it's huge. It's huge on the sand there. Can you take it?
It's too dark for me. Yeah, there's a green bird there.
It's very pretty.
He called it a bee eater.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
You got it?
I think Maddie's gonna get some good ones.
Yeah. It's kind of...
There it is. I'll just start filming, see what I get. Yeah. Just pull down. More.
Where is it?
I don't know, people are pointing over there.
How far is it?
Is it in the tree?
Is it in
Is it in there? Is it in there? Can you see that? Is that it? I don't know if that's it or not, or if I'm just blind. I'm most likely blind. No, what? Oh, sorry.
Oh, then I saw a patch.
I see it.
I saw it. It's rolling over.
I see it.
I saw it. It's rolling over.
See the legs, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Hello. This side.
It's pretty. It's got beautiful fur. Oh, it's its babies.
It's standing on the wall. I cannot see it. I cannot see it. You can look at it.
It's digging. It looks really weird. Oh, it moved. It's using its other hand now. Like a badger. Digging like a badger, but it looks scaly. It's cool. Am I just not able to see it? I am not able to see it. Oh, hey. That little guy. Just happy, just eating. Kind of, yeah. Yeah! So many little water buffalo. I mean, big water buffalo, just little from here. They're all drinking. Hi, piggies. Does one have a stick in its mouth? Yeah, the one in the back has a stick in its mouth. Fun. Oh no, that's definitely a boy.
Did you open? Did you open?
Nope, just turning for us.
Yeah, just turn around.
Perfect. We come around and see a whole lot of elephants. Oh, that's a big herd. Oh man. Let's pick it up. Wait, it's so big. them. There's another elephant. Oh, into the road. Oh man, get out of its way. Get out of its way. No, 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 stay away from it. Get out of its way, let it go. Oh my goodness. We are... They have friends. These just crossed the road in front of us. It's a mongoose. We're at the gate. Thank you, Yala.
It just flew in front of me.
Thank you, Yala Park. Right outside the gate is a big
looking at us.
crocodile. Alligator? Maybe it's food? Oh, get it, bird. Oh no, bird's far away. Oh. We just got dropped off, but we found a leopard. Oh, cutie patootie. You're here at Charya Resort. So they gave us a towel, and it's very cold and refreshing. Mommy's very happy to have had the towel. Yeah, very calm. This is the lobby. Yeah, it's a spa also. We still have to check in. And this lady just gave us some juice. Is it good? It's good juice? You can see the chefs preparing dinner. Very exciting. Stopping by the spa. Oh, like street food too. Got a lot of bungalows on either side. So a little water feature. Oh, pool. Good thing I did not bring my stuff. Be a perfect pool night. Alright. Sorry, plugged the door in. But here's the room. Okay, everybody come in. Oh, no one come in. Okay, so we've got a double bed here, single bed here, a TV on the wall. We've got a closet. Very nice. With a sink inside. Got our stuff over here. Chairs, bathroom. Oh, this bathroom is huge. We even have a hot tub, jacuzzi, and all the stuff. Okay, cool. It's nice. Maddie is my hero, and he killed the biggest spider just now. Thank you. I don't know. Salads. Pasta salads. Seafood rice. Lots of choices. A lot of these are, I think, palatable for the Western palate. Exciting. Tons of desserts. Fruits. Cupcakes. This is beautiful. There's ice cream here too. It's cool. Mousses, cakes, and lots of breads. Very cool, very cool. This is plate 1. Egg mayonnaise, Thai shrimp salad. This is a seafood masala with red rice. And then papadam with mango chutney. They said this is a seafood tart. We'll see what that is. And then a carrot and orange shooter. Oh, yeah. So he whipped an egg. You know, he's spreading it. And then he'll cover it up. And it's supposed to look like this. But we'll see how it goes.
The turnover will be like that?
Yeah, I think so. Ooh, cool. So this is the egg hopper. I got some of the sambal, which is a little spicy, and the mango chutney. And then there's some hot dogs and skewers from outside. And then this is chicken with red plum sauce, red wine sauce. And then this is like a lemon herb fish. So plate 2. So this one tastes a little bit like a crepe. It's very eggy and crispy on the edge. Very nice. Dessert round. This I think is a jalebi, but it's probably really soggy. Gogo said this was mango blancmange, and it's amazing.
It's so good.
This is a fruit tart. These are jellies. This is a curd cheesecake, they said. And this is some sort of orange cake, and that's not a dessert. That's a vegetable au gratin.